Assalamu alaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of Microwear Watch X. Now this is a copy version of Apple Watch Series 10. There are a lot of copy versions in the market right now that you can purchase. This one you can buy on AliExpress, link is in the description. Seller is Zorwing and it comes with AMOLED display, IP68 rating. So we are going to see how it looks. Let me just quickly peel the plastic off from the back. I've previously done HK10 unboxing, HK10 Pro. That one was also a very good smartwatch that you can buy. So here, as you can see, the color that I have here is white, silver and white. It also comes with the case, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. So let me just quickly put that to the side. Here we get a charging dock, and here is our watch, which is in silver color. So let me just quickly put the box to the side and let's peel the plastic off from the back. So guys, really they are making really great clones of Series 10, Apple Watch Series 10. And it comes with a pre-installed screen protector, which is really good to see that you don't need to put a screen protector. So on the side, as you can see, we have crown key, power button. And on the back, there is also a sticker, which I'm going to peel in a few seconds. On the left side, we have a speaker grill, and the design is very close to the original Apple Watch Series 10. So let me just turn this on. So it boots really quickly. So let's change the language to English. And as you can see, the display is amazing in these clone watches, guys. They are using AMOLED display. I wish to see auto brightness feature in the clone watches. Currently, they don't have this feature, auto brightness. I hope they would implement that feature soon. So let's quickly put the strap. And it's quite difficult to actually put the strap on this side. So let me just try it. I don't know if it's because we are putting the strap for the first time, but let me just see. They're quite difficult on the top, especially. Let me just yeah, now let's put the bottom one. Yeah, the bottom one seems to be really easy to put. So yeah, anyways guys, as you can see, the display looks really gorgeous in terms of build quality. They are using aluminum frame on both sides and the body is really premium quality. So let's turn on the display. As you can see, the watch face, if we swipe from the top, we get notifications. And this is our main theme, which you can change by tapping on it. The bezel looks really thin, guys, and the screen quality looks really amazing. So let's check another watch face. This is a new watch face. As you can see, guys, the colors look really vibrant and the display quality is outstanding in this clone watch. On HK10 Pro, there is also a really good, they are using a really good display on that one as well. So yeah, let's change to another watch face. And this one you can also change the colors if you tap on the screen. Here is our different type of watch faces. This one looks really good actually. Let's check another watch face. So these are all the pre-installed watch faces. You can download more watch faces through application. So let's change to the original watch face. This one, my favorite watch face for the Series 10. And yeah guys, I'm really impressed by the build quality so far. It looks very good. So let me just take this plastic from the back. On heart rate sensor, and we are going to see heart rate sensor in a few minutes. So let me just put that to the side. And yeah, here is our cover case that comes with the watch. Let's put that on. You get a free cover case, which is also very good. You get a pre-installed screen protector and you get a cover case, which is very nice and looks very good to protect your watch. The cover case is also very thin, so it doesn't add the bulk to the watch, which is good. But the crown key is quite difficult to use with the cover on, I will say. But still guys, looks amazing. So yeah, in terms of smoothness, HK10 Pro is still the smoothest watch. This one is also very good, but HK10 is the fastest in terms of speed. So yeah, Still, this one is also very good in terms of price. This is also very good. So let's check the heart rate sensor first. Let's put it on a table. As you can see, as soon as I put it on a table, it shows me an error. Please wear the watch. Let's try that again. And yeah, it's not measuring, which is very good. That means they are using a good sensor. So let's check if I put my fingers on the back. It's currently measuring. Let's turn on the screen. Yeah, it's taking a little bit more compared to the other watches. Still, we are not getting any heart rate percentage. Yeah, it's taking too long actually, guys, but still, let's hope that it works. Sensors are working, sensors are blinking on the back. So yeah, 74, yeah, now it's working. So takes a little bit longer compared to the other watches, but yeah, still it's working. So here is our activity, your music application that you can connect your TW wireless headphones. So let's change the menu style to another style. This one looks very good actually, the list one. Let's check another menu style. This one is also very good. Here's the original one. Let's change it to watch OS 10 version. So yeah, guys, overall the speed is also very good, and you can see the different application is installed, and it's IP68 rating, so I have to test water test in this one. Let me know in the comments down below if you like to see that video. Here is our sports animation. Looks very identical to the original one. So let's take the cover off for now. And guys, the build quality, it's really looking like a real Apple Watch Series 10. It also has palm gesture, which is also very good. And if you tap on the screen, it will wake up. If for example the screen is turned off, you can do it in 1 minute. If it's more than 1 minute, you cannot tap on the screen to wake the screen. So as you can see right now, it's not waking up. So yeah, guys, really the display quality is amazing, and the bezel size is also very thin. Let me just quickly, these are games that you can install from the application. And yeah, looks so far so good. It also has let me just quickly translate as well. Weather application. And it also has NFC, I believe. Water drain application is also there. So I have to test water test in this one. Let's go in about. As you can see, watch name Watch X. NFC, which is great to see. Storage is not showing. I will mention in the description how much storage it has. So it has always on display. I don't know why it's keep waking up, but yeah, always on display works. So it's kind of annoying actually. So maybe there is a bug, I'm not sure. Yeah, now it works. I don't know what happened, but yeah, here's the always on display. Looks good actually. So we have pointer and dialer version. So guys, overall this watch looks very good, and the raise to wake feature is also working. So let me just quickly show you. So yeah, looks very good, and the bezel size, I really like the bezel size. So let me know in the comments down below if you like this watch, and if you like this video, please click on that like button, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks a lot for watching my video, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.